What's up everybody, my name is Phil. Welcome back to Miranda Detailing. In today's video, we're going to be showing you guys the new Hybrid Solutions ceramic, acrylic, black polish, and black wax. Guys, if you're enjoying videos like this, and I hope that you are, then consider subscribing and clicking that bell. That way you get notifications each time these videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. Super excited to show you guys this new product. These videos are going to blow up all over YouTube to all of the detailers that Turtlewax sent this stuff to, and you can also get it yourself. Check out the links down below. They go to Amazon. You can buy this stuff right now. So guys, I'm working on my Avalon. Of course, it's jet black, and it has its fair share of swirls and defects, and I'm going to polish out a small portion of the vehicle right here to show you guys what this stuff is capable of. Stay tuned for our weekend washes, because that's when you're going to see all the different products that we test on our vehicle, the durability of them, all the different how-tos and reviews of the different products that we get. We play around with them on our own vehicle and see some real-world results. So we're going to be polishing a small section of the back fender of our Avalon. So guys, let's look at the kit itself, and if you want to get your hands on this for free, then comment down below. Put in the comment Turtlewax Hybrid Solutions, and you will be entered to win this kit. The whole thing, the whole box kit, everything that I have here that I'm going to show you in just a second, you can win and have yourself for free. Turtlewax is going to ship it to you pretty much anywhere in the world. So for my viewers who are in different countries, you can get your hands on a kit just like this for free. So remember, comment down below. So let's see what the kit comes with. These are some of the tools that I'm going to use to polish and check my work with. These are the Max Shine products, which I am really loving. But let's take a look at the box itself. So it comes in this really nice packaging. This packaging is awesome. So this is the top cover. I'm going to place it in here. And then of course you have your products. So your black polish. You have your black spray wax. These two go hand in hand. They work together, or they can work separately. And if you pull up on the little bed here, where your products sleep like cone heads. For those of you who don't get that reference. Okay, so in the bottom here, we have some more stuff. We have a 6.5-inch pad, and then we have a 5.5-inch pad. This is what I'm going to use because I love the smaller pads. If you have a larger machine like the Rupes 21mm, then this would probably be preferred, because if you're going to be working on huge panels, then this pad would be great. But let's put that aside for now, because we're going to use this pad here on our polisher. It does come with the little hand foam applicator, which is nice. Little embossed symbol there. And also check out the back of the pad. The Turtlewax Hybrid Solutions logo is on the back of the pad. Now this, I believe, is a CCS pad. At least it looks like it. It's that same design. And these are great pads. I started using this CCS design years ago, and I love it. It has these little dimples, these little pockets, where the idea behind this technology is the polish will actually go into these little pockets here, and when you push down just a little bit, it'll release a little bit more of the polish. That's one of the ideas behind it. It also runs a little bit cooler, which is nice. So it's not that huge of a deal. You can get whatever orange medium cutting pad that you want, or medium cutting pad. Doesn't have to necessarily be orange. As long as it's a medium cutting pad, this will work very well with this product, because this will cut and do some correction work. And then it comes with two towels, really nice two black microfiber towels. And these are a nice low nap, and they are black because both of these products have black pigment. Now I already took off the cap here, but you can see that the color of the product is black. And, ooh, it smells just like all the other products. Really nice smelling products. And same goes with their black spray wax. It is a black formula, it's pigmented, and I'll explain why that is actually a benefit for black vehicles. So here's the paint that we're working with. Oh, that is bad. Yeah, I know. It's my own vehicle. But, you know, I polish and do other work around the vehicle here, so some panels look better than others. Now, the vehicle was just washed. It is decontaminated. It's nice and smooth. Let's polish out this little section here and leave down here unpolished. That way you can see the clear distinction between both panels, polished and unpolished. Now I set up some other lights here that we use for paint correction. Now you can really see the heavy defects on that paint. So let's begin polishing. I have my orange pad on my polisher. You can use any polisher you want. I'm just going to use this one because I already pulled it out and I was working with it. Apply the pad, make sure it's as centered as possible, and only apply a little bit of this stuff. It goes a long way. So just 3 pea-sized drops just like that, and let's polish this top section. So I'm going to start on speed 3, and I may bump it up if I need to. So let's take one of the supplied microfibers and let's see its wipe off. So you will find that the wipe off needs a little bit of help, but it's designed that way. All you need is just a spritz of water, and it aids in removing any of the residue. It's so slick. You can already see the difference in the lights. So what it looked like before and after. Crazy. Now here, I didn't polish as much. So crazy. Look at that. That is awesome. Now with some paints, you're going to find, if it's a softer paint, that the orange pad might be a little bit too much. So if you do find that it's leaving marring behind, so marring is what you see here, just a little bit of haze. But as you can see, it really cleared up the paint. That's pretty impressive. So from this horrible mess to this. Huge improvement. All right, now I'm going to go just a little bit further, just because I want to see what this can really accomplish with a little bit more speed, a little bit more pressure. Wow. Huh. Okay. Now, that's what you can accomplish going a little bit further. Wow. So remember what it looked like before to this. That's impressive. That is incredible. So your deeper defects, like that scratch right there, those are going to be pretty deep anyway. You would have to use an extra compound to go ahead and attack those, but the majority, look how awesome that looks. Horrible swirls and marring and haziness to that. That's pretty awesome. Essentially a one step. It is just looking so good. For a one step, that's perfect. You just go a little bit further with the polisher and your pad, a little bit higher speeds, maybe a little bit more pressure. You don't need that much pressure, and that is the result you can get. If you do this to your entire vehicle, it will look like that. That's awesome. That's pretty much removing like 90% of the swirls or more. The deeper scratches you can probably live with because the finish looks so good. Now, if you remember, how many drops did we use with this? Probably a total of 6 pea-sized drops. That's it. That's impressive. This stuff is a winner. Now again, I'm not outside, I'm doing it inside here. Once it starts to get really hot and humid out, we'll see how the stuff responds in the sun. I don't believe it's designed to really work in the sun like the other products are, probably because of the pigments that are inside here. But again, we'll test it out and see what it can do. But guys, look at the finish. That is incredible. So before you add this protection, you could add it on now. That is a possibility if you need to quicken things up. However, to get the maximum protection, the maximum benefits, wait 24 hours, and then you can apply this product. This is going to be the second step, the black wax. Again, it's pigmented. You can use this as a maintenance product also. Don't necessarily mix it with water as a drying aid. That's not really what it's meant to do. You can use the Hybrid Solutions wet wax for that. If you want to check out that video, click up there in the card and check out how we use the ceramic wet wax on this beautiful black Porsche. But remember, if you're going to go with the Hybrid Solutions line, get each of the products and use them all in conjunction with one another. They all work extremely well all together. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to break the rules just a little bit here, and I'm going to apply this right now because I don't want to wait 24 hours. I want to do it right now, and I want to play with this product. So I'm not worried about the durability of it just yet because this is garage kept, and you're going to notice in our weekend washes that this stuff is going to look incredible. So we'll keep an eye on it in those weekend washes. So let's just shake up the product, and I'm going to apply it to the same towel here. Help if I turn the trigger on. One spritz, that's it. And I'm going to work it into this small section. Now it does say to kind of let it haze a little bit, and that's where you're going to get the maximum filling capabilities and the protection. So that's okay. As you know, I am completely fine with filling capabilities because I don't want to overcorrect my paint. I don't want to compound it so much that, yeah, the swirls might be pretty much eliminated and gone, but you're going to erode that clear coat. You're going to break down that clear coat much, much faster because you're removing microns of paint. So be careful. Don't overcorrect your paint. So let's proceed now with the wipe off. I'm going to flip the towel over inside out. Whoa. Oh, that was nice. That just came right off, no problem whatsoever. Oh, that's awesome. Okay. Ooh, interesting. Guys, this stuff is incredible. Let's bring you in. It looks like I just fully corrected it. It doesn't even know what to focus on. I have to take it off automatic focus and put it on manual. Look at that. That is unreal. I'm blown away by what this product can do. Look at that. Okay guys, so here is the vehicle. It's had 24 hours to cure completely. Man, still looking incredible. So let's look at the water behavior. Incredible tight beading. The more you flood it, the more the water sheets away really quick. Look at that. That is incredible. Okay guys, that is awesome. Still swirl free, just those little tiny things that are still in the paint. But other than that, compared to what it looked like before, that's horrible. That's what it looked like before. Now that's what it looks like. Amazing. These products are incredible. I am loving the new polish and the new spray wax. So let's go over some pros and cons. The pros, of course, super slick and glossy. The beading and the sheeting properties are incredible. Now, the only con that I see with this product is not being able to use it out in the sun, but that's okay. It's way better to work indoors or in the shade on a black vehicle because of the heat factor. So this stuff works very, very well in here in the garage in a climate controlled area. Remember, use either a damp microfiber towel or just a spritz or two of water to remove the product. It's going to be a little bit difficult to remove just with a dry towel alone. And that also goes with the Hybrid Solutions polish and wax. Use a damp microfiber towel or a spritz of water to remove any lingering residue. Other than that, the stuff works incredibly well. So depending on the paint, if it's super heavy swirled and it's soft paint, it's going to leave just a little bit of marring behind, but you can just switch out pads. You don't have to use that orange pad. You can use whatever pad you see fit depending on the paint. So keep that in mind. And this stuff is such a pleasure to use. No smearing, no residue, nothing. You apply 1 or 2 spritz onto the panel, let it sit there for like a minute, and then wipe it off. Absolutely no problem wiping it off at all. Now I am excited to try this stuff out in the sun on my mobile jobs just to see what it can do. So stay tuned. The next time we have a black vehicle that we can work on doing a paint enhancement or a polish, we'll be using these products. So guys, again, if you want to get your hands on the products, you can check out the links down below. They are selling them on Amazon already. Or if you want the kit, Turtlewax is giving away this entire box kit, the whole thing. Not only are you going to get the products, but you're also going to get the 2 microfiber towels, the 2 different pads, and that little nice embossed foam applicator, all in this beautiful box set. So remember to comment down below so you can enter to win that giveaway. So I am super excited about these products. I can't wait to continue to use them and try them out on different vehicles and see the results these products are going to yield. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Like it, share it with others who may enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time these videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. Pick up some quality detailing products and enjoy detailing your vehicle. We'll see you next time. Have a great week. Take care.